Hi, my name is Batič. I'm responsible for biosafety issue in Slovenia, and I'm also a national focal point for Cartagena Protocol on biosafety in our country. Slovenia is a part of CE region and a member of the EU, recognizes biotechnology as a rapidly growing multidisciplinary science which makes inroads in all sectors of society. As a consequence, potential benefit and concerns should reflect in a robust biosafety system which allows enforcement on a step-by-step approach and rational precautionary principle. In that respect, the Cartagena Protocol is the most important treaty promoting safety in the use of biotechnology. In CE region, most of the countries as parties to the Cartagena Protocol have established mechanisms for conducting risk assessment prior to taking decisions regarding LMOs. In addition, mechanisms for regulation, management, control and risk identified through the risk assessment are mainly in place. But still, experiences in conducting a risk assessment for intentional introduction of LMOs into the environment are even now limited in our region, as well as some capacity building needs are identified. Regarding Slovenia, our biosafety policy transposes and enforces EU legislation on LMO and as well as the Cartagena Protocol. In that respect, Slovenia set in place procedures which enable the transparency of decision-making process in management of LMOs. The core of this process is evaluation of risk associated with LMOs. Slovenia established two scientific committees for spontaneous use of LMOs and for its deliberate release into the environment to support the competent authorities in decision-making process. Both are composed of independent, highly qualified scientists who have the relevant expertise and are selected through the National Expert System of Assessment in Science. They evaluate risk assessment on a case-by-case basis in a scientifically sound and transparent manner and provide scientific opinions on LMOs. For small countries like Slovenia, it is important to have in place well-established and effective risk assessment procedures committed to a transparent notification process for LMO management that is open to the public. Underlying the importance of public participation and awareness, there is still remaining a challenge for Slovenia to obtain public confidence. According to our experience, we believe that such a step-by-step, case-by-case approach fosters a deliberate, informed, environmentally responsible and safe use of this powerful technology. In that sense, the risk assessment of LMOs is an essential tool to achieve that goal. It must be as a part of the decision-making process, fully transparent and reports available to the general public to gain public confidence. In contrary, public confidence can be very easily eroded by any perception that justified concerns are being ignored. A decade passed since Cartagena Protocol came into force. On that occasion, we'd like to emphasize that Slovenia recognizes the protocol as one of the most important international treaties which marks commitment of the international community to pursue the global objective of promoting safety in the use of biotechnology. We express our highest gratitude to parties to the Cartagena Protocol on biosafety and Secretariat of the Convention of Biological Diversity in their demanding implementation of the treaty in the past decade. We wish to proceed onward and commit ourselves to ensure the environmentally responsible and safe use of biotechnology in the future.